Hello everyone, this is AGTechTube with another quick tutorial. Today I am going to show you how to remove or add the Bluetooth icon to your taskbar. So go to Settings, then go to Devices. On the left tab go to Bluetooth and then go to More Bluetooth Options. And as you can see, there's an option show the Bluetooth icon in the notification area. Just check this box and hit apply. As you can see, the Bluetooth icon is now appeared in our taskbar. If you want to remove it, go again to More Bluetooth Options and untick this box and hit apply. OK. As you can see, the Bluetooth icon is removed now. Okay guys, this is a pretty simple process. I hope you will like it. As always, thank you guys for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel if you wish to see more of such content. I'm looking forward to catch you in my next videos.